Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna go over 6 of my favorite bags from Celine, the best bags that you can get in my opinion. And the reason that there's 6 is because there's one that's like kind of obvious. So I felt kind of bad. So it's gonna be 6 instead of 5, so you're welcome. As most of you guys probably know, Celine is hot right now, okay? Celine's having a moment. I feel like at least one Celine bag is on every single person's wish list right now. So I felt like this was the perfect time to do this. If you guys wanna know what 6 bags I think are the best bags that you can get from Celine, then please just keep on watching. That was a weird way to word that, but wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Celine, you like 6 bags. Like, this is definitely where you're gonna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, there's something on stories. A lot of stuff going on over there, so you should definitely follow me if you're not already. I am still sick, by the way, so if you hear that, I am so sorry. But with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So we're gonna start off with the obvious one, okay? The Triomphe. Everybody wants the Triomphe right now. The Triomphe is, you know what, let me move over. Let me be a good person and move over so you can actually see some photographs right here. Okay, obviously not everybody wants a Triomphe, but like most people have the Triomphe already or it's on their wish list. And I cannot say that I don't understand why. That was a weird way to word that too. I definitely understand why, okay? This bag to me is absolutely stunning. So far, I haven't found a color that is really like giving me what I need it to give me. You guys know the color at the tippity top of my wish list right now is like a light green, but the Celine Triomphe comes in a few colors. It actually recently came out in like this beautiful lavender color. Gorgeous, gorgeous. But I feel like most people obviously have just the black with the gold hardware. It's a beautiful bag. I love everything about it. It gives me Constance vibes from Hermes, which is another video that I want to do, by the way, like an alternatives to Constance bag, because I already did one for a Kelly. I did one for a classic flap. I feel like I'm gonna do a Constance and a Birkin next, right? Like, stay tuned for that. But I also feel like that bag like stands its own ground. Like, you see that bag and you're like, oh, okay, I know exactly what that is. It's so on trend right now. It's so like classy, but again, trendy. So I absolutely love it. I feel like I could definitely see myself adding one of these to my collection. But again, it would have to be in like a very specific color. I don't think I would want this in black just because I have a black classic flap already. Number 2 is gonna be obvious if you have seen any one of my videos recently, and that's gonna be the 16 bag. This is my personal favorite bag from Celine, and I know a lot of people, when I mentioned it, I'm gonna link the video where I talked about it right up here. A lot of people said that it was giving them granny vibes, and I understand where you're coming from, but I'm cool with granny vibes. Like, I could, you know, I can fuck with granny vibes. I think that this bag is the perfect alternative to a Kelly. That is the video, obviously, that I mentioned it in. But at the same time, I feel like it really just holds its own, and I absolutely love it. I love the Turlock. I love the colors that it comes in. It's really not a lot of colors, but the colors I feel like look good on the bag. This one also came out recently in that beautiful lavender color. I just think it's beautiful. My personal favorite is the small size, but the only thing with this bag is that I feel like it's a little expensive to be a Celine bag, okay? Like, I don't associate Celine with this price point, so that's like the one and only, well, that plus the fact that I need the perfect color to come out. Those 2 things are the only things that are like really holding me back from getting this. But if it wasn't for that, I would definitely own one of these already, okay? I could see myself owning this bag and just like walking around with my little 16 bag. I love it. I absolutely love it. Up at number 3 is gonna be the Ava bag. Now, this bag is definitely more on the trendy side. I feel like the other 2 bags, I mean, the Triomphe is definitely trendy, especially right now, but I feel like if the trend passed on the Triomphe, it would still not look out of place. Like, if you still wore it, it would still look relevant. The 16, I don't feel like is a trendy bag at all. I feel like that's a very classic bag. The Ava bag, in my opinion, is definitely a little bit more trendy because it is that like crescent moon shape, you know. Can you tell that that's what this is? It looks kind of like the Joker smile, but crescent moon shape, you get it. I actually prefer this bag in the Triomphe canvas. I feel like it looks so cute. I like the canvas version because it like almost gives me monogram vibes, but without being that same monogram that like everybody has, which, by the way, don't get me wrong, a lot of you guys think that I really hate Louis Vuitton monogram, and I don't. I used to have like a bunch of monogram bags. I don't dislike it. I just don't feel like I want to own it. And now that I'm talking about this Ava bag, the reason that I'm saying it looks like monogram, but it's not, is because a lot of people are tired of seeing monogram. A lot of people don't want to buy a monogram bag because everybody has a monogram bag. So that's why I'm saying that. But I really don't hate monogram, okay, guys? Don't get twisted, okay? You look at it and you know that it's Celine. And again, because Celine is having its moment right now, I feel like this is a really good way to go. If you like the loop bag by Louis Vuitton, but you want something just a little bit more, I don't know, I feel like this is a little bit more Gen Z appropriate. I feel like this is definitely a way that you're gonna wanna go. It does also come in just plain leather, not with the Triumph monogram type situation all over it. So if that's something that you're interested in, I definitely suggest looking this way. I do think it's a little bit smaller than the loop bag, if I'm not mistaken. But still, I feel like this bag with like a plain white t-shirt and just like jeans and white sneakers, that's a look. It's a look. Next up is the 16 bag. And yes, I know I just spoke about the 16, but this is not just a regular schmegular 16 bag. This is the 16 bucket bag. I myself am definitely not a bucket bag type of bitch. Okay, I'm just not. That's just, I don't carry nearly enough things to be carrying around a bucket bag, okay? But this is definitely, in my opinion, the cutest bucket bag that I've ever seen, okay? If I was going to buy a bucket bag, it would be this one, and let me tell you why. This bag, to me, just gives the coolest of girls aesthetic, okay? If you are just like a very carefree, quiet luxury type of person, if you want to hear my thoughts on quiet luxury, okay, it's gonna be right here. But if that's the kind of aesthetic that you have, that you already had before people started talking about quiet luxury, I feel like this is the perfect bucket bag for you. It has a little turn lock. It does say Celine, but it's like this big, and it just looks expensive without shouting Celine, without having that Celine Triumph monogram all over it, kind of like the Ava bag like I was just talking about. It just looks really put together. It looks like you tried, but you didn't try too hard, you know, like you're like effortlessly chic. That's what I feel like this bag gives off. But at the same time, you're a busy woman. You got stuff to do. You got people to see. You got things that you need to carry with you. So that's why you got this nice bucket bag, and I feel like this is just the perfect cool girl vibe bag. If you're on the market for a bucket bag, I don't even think like why are you looking over there? Why are you looking elsewhere? Please get this one. Do us all a favor. Number 5 is going to be the belt bag. Now, this bag used to be really popular back when like the nano luggage was popular. People were into the trapeze. Is that what's called? Trapeze bag. Everybody really loved this bag. And I have to say, me, myself personally, I was definitely more into the nano luggage, like mini luggage, that whole line. But I kind of wish that I was into this line because A, the price has definitely gone up since then. But B, this bag, this is B. This bag is so timeless in my opinion. Like, yes, it had a moment where it really spiked in popularity, but it's such a timeless silhouette, and there is no way that anybody's gonna look at this and be like, oh my gosh, you're so outdated. Like, how? This bag is one of the classiest bags, in my opinion, that I've ever seen. The only discernible feature that would make it, I guess, outdated is the fact that it has like the little, you know, what is that called? The tie, the belt part. The reason that it's called the belt bag, you know, the little belt part. That was too hard. That was too hard. It comes in so many sizes. You have smaller sizes, bigger sizes. I feel like this just gives off boss bitch vibes, and you guys know that's the type of vibes I like. Okay, so I feel like this is a beautiful choice, and even though, like I said, it used to be popular and it's not so popular anymore, it still is such a classy silhouette that I feel like there's no way that this is gonna look dated. I am dubbing my number 6 pick the basic bitch pick, okay? I mean, listen, I don't think anything is basic. I'm just saying basic bitch as in a lot of people have it, okay? And I'm wrong being a basic bitch, okay? I'm definitely a basic bitch, so don't get it twisted. So this is the pannier bag, the raffia bag, you know what I'm talking about. The one that literally every single brand has. But I am picking this because I feel like this is the nicest version of a raffia bag that I myself have personally seen. I know that Loewe has one that just has like a patch on the front, like that's cute. I like this better. I don't have a raffia bag and I don't plan on getting a raffia bag, but that's just because my lifestyle like does not, like, what am I gonna do with this? I hardly go to the beach. I hardly go anywhere, like, if I'm being honest. I think I just hit my mic, so sorry about that. But I don't need a raffia bag, so there's really just no point for me. But I do think they look so freaking cute in the summer. For me, what sells me on this one is the fact that this comes in more than one size. But I also love the fact that this has the Triumph logo just like right on the front in leather. This is the Triumph logo, can you tell? The Loewe one just literally has like a patch on the front, and then the logo is like embossed inside. This one is like the actual logo is cut out, so you can see the logo from further away. And I know quiet luxury is where we're trying to go right now. I like this one better, okay? They also do have this bag in different colors. They have it in like a pink, a white. They also have like a heart, like the Triumph logo is like inside of a heart, which I think is cute. I feel like this is the perfect raffia bag if you were on the market for a raffia bag. Again, I'm not, but I can live vicariously through you if you choose to get this, so get this one. So those are the 6 Celine bags that I think that you should spend your money on, okay? I think these are worth the money. I think this is where to go. I think this is it. I think there's really nowhere else to look. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think about my picks. Let me know if I missed any bags. I mean, I don't think I missed anything because I went through the Celine website like with a fine-tooth comb last night. Like I was just like this, scrolling at like midnight, just let me look at Celine's website. So I think I got all the best ones, but you guys let me know if you know a better one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. Let me know which brand you want me to do next. I know I did mention that I have to do Loewe. I also have to do Dior, but if there's another brand that you guys want me to do, definitely let me know in the comments and I will do that. But that's all I have to say for today, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! The hashtag's back and it's better than ever. Something, something, something. The hashtag's here.